I have a lot of things I need to get done today, so we're going to try and do as many as I can and see how that goes. And also, I have a small jungle forming and I don't really know what to do about it. It's kind of overtaking my desk and hopefully it doesn't get in the way. So I hand print every single item that I make myself, that being my wood bookmarks and my tote bags and the little bags and boxes I put jewelry in, and even my packing material I hand print myself. So when I make something for you, it literally is handmade by me, comes straight from my hands into yours. I design all the designs myself and then I transfer them onto the mesh screens. I use the high quality ink in order to transfer them onto the items. If it's a fabric item, I heat seal the items in order to make sure that it lasts and it's in great quality when you get it. Honestly, doing my packing material by myself is probably not the best idea, but financially I'm just not there yet, so I just take all the time to do it myself because I like cute packages and I want you to have cute packages.
No, it doesn't fit. Why can't you just slightly larger? Ugh. Please let it fit in this one. Well, it's snug, but it won't have my logo. Alright. So I got my prints in from the Raven Boys pre-order, and unfortunately 2 of them came damaged. They're not like heavily damaged, there was just like some ink issues with the heavy black ink areas, mostly the words, and like Blue's hair a little bit, where there's like white streaks, which it kind of fits the aesthetic, the like sketchy aesthetic. However, the other 3 are perfectly fine, and since a lot of people order them as a set and I sell them as a set, I want them to match, and I just did not feel comfortable sending all 5 out when 2 of them look different than the other 3. I contacted the printer and they are reprinting the 2 damaged ones for me, and hopefully I get those soon. But since the damage isn't that bad, once I get the new ones in and make sure they're okay, I'm probably just going to post the 2 damaged ones in my shop at a discount. Because, I mean, they're really not that bad individually. You just can kind of tell when you look at them as a whole, like with all the 5. But if you just get them by themselves, then it's just fine. So this week I'm just getting everything ready for when those get in, so I can just be ready to send everyone's things out. And I have a lot to do, so it should work out fine. I'm also working on a tote bag design for Stephanie Garber because I am going to YALLfest, and I'm so excited, and I want to give her this tote. Like, the Once Upon a Broken Heart series has become one of my favorite whimsical reads, and I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with it. I might faint, girl, I might die. Ugh. I decided to finally design new business cards because I just wanted a more professional but simplistic look. And the ones I had before were more of a business slash thank you card. And since they were a thank you card, I didn't feel like I could just give those out to new customers because it just felt kind of weird. So this is just strictly a business card, and I really like the design, and I'm obsessed.